Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you a great little tune called Wabash Cannonball. If you are a beginner on the violin, this tune will be especially great for you, so stay tuned. And if you end up enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I invite you to consider hitting that red subscribe button below for more videos just like this one, along with the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So instead of breaking up this tune into two parts like I normally do in my tutorials, since this tune is on the shorter side and doesn't really have a distinct A section and B section, we're gonna be learning the whole tune at once and then playing it together at the end. So make sure you stay tuned for that play along so that you can be sure to not have missed anything along the way. So we are in the key of D major for this one, which means we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So if you want to go ahead and play a quick D major scale before getting into this tune, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we are going to be on the A string, starting with an open A. And the first phrase goes like this. Alright, so we're ending on that high A, our third finger on the E string, and we're going to stay there, so go ahead and keep your third finger down on the E string for our next phrase. Alright, and then we're going to come back to the A string with our first finger B. Okay, ending on open E there, which is where we start for our next phrase. Alright, and so now all of that repeats, all of what we just learned, except for the ending. The ending is a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'll play everything that is coming up that we've already learned so that you can hear that again, and then I'll show you the ending separately. Alright, so hopefully that all sounds familiar to you. All of that is the same as what we played in the beginning of the tune, but as I said, this ending is a little bit different, so make sure you listen for that and try to catch these notes. Alright, so there we just had a little scale at the end going from A to D and in the key of D major, so be sure to have that C sharp in there as well. So now that we've learned the whole tune, let's go ahead and play Wabash Cannonball together. 1, 2, 3. So there we go. That is all of Wabash Cannonball. I hope you enjoyed learning that little tune with me today. Be sure to stay tuned for some upcoming tutorials and other fiddle related videos that we have coming up on this channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy practicing. If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!